Midnight Trinity here, and this is...
Hi, I am Fiance. Not Beyonce, Fiance, get it right.
This is Anthony. He is going to be doing my makeup today as per requested from the people on TikTok. Anyway, let's get into it. And here we go.
There you go. Now you can't see camera.
So,
Cheater.
what? I no cheat.
You tried, I saw it. I saw it. I'm bad at this. Let's see here. Yeah. Whatever. We start with yes, this will be the one.
Why are you putting it under my eye?
Does it not ever go there?
No.
Whoops.
Just go with it.
Nope. No, I fix.
Do you need help?
No. I got this. Who am I gonna get for help? The baby? Like, that's how bad I am at this. I'm seeing little dust clouds go off. I don't think that's supposed to happen.
I have given him no instructions on how makeup is done.
I don't know what I am doing, but it's gonna be fun. Oops. It's like working on art.
And if anyone hears sudden screaming in the background, it's my son. Our son.
Right. I need your eyes like blah. Like, no, close them.
You would think he would have done makeup. He has a little sister.
Yeah, sure. Let's go with that. Alrighty. That's, yeah. Alright. What's next? This stuff, right? Yeah. I think this is what I was going to use.
Instructions. Yes, that's what... Where are you putting it? It's not supposed to go all over the face.
Where is it supposed to go?
It's supposed to go right under the eyes, like a crescent moon.
No.
I'm going to be horrified when I look at myself, aren't I?
Maybe.
And then it goes right above the mouth, like on that part, the Cupid's bow.
No idea what I'm doing. This is gonna be great. You're gonna love it. I'm sure of it. I hope someone is at least internally cringing at this, besides her.
There's the blush, and here's the blush.
Gimme, gimme. Yeah. All right. Yes. These things. What's this one?
That's black. That's blue.
How is the facts?
Don't do that. That aerates it. Makes
Oh.
fast.
Hi, sorry. Oh, look, I'm knocking the dust that I left off. It's a good thing there's no mirror behind me.
Did you still want black eyeliner?
Nah. Meh. Yes. Where?
The eyeliner's right here. But I have like sky blue. Like, look at this. It's electric.
Ooh, yes, I used that one.
And he's opted not to do foundation because he has no confidence in being able to do anything with foundation.
Yeah, it would have looked like a clown. Should have been like straight white.
I don't even own straight white.
I would have made it. Somehow. I don't know. Maybe. Pow. I must not let my art go bad. I don't know. I hope someone's internally cringing at this one. I said it once and I'll say it again. I'm allowed to do that, right? Say things twice? Yeah, I wouldn't have done that. Maybe it fixed it. I don't know.
Is that all you're gonna do to me?
I think that's all I got. That's all. That's all I chose.
La la la. I have here. Go
What's
go
that?
crazy. Heart stamp.
Nink.
You don't have to push that hard.
Nink. Nink. All done. We'll leave it at an odd number.
And now give me the mirror for the priceless reaction of what you did to me. I look like a freaking clown.
Yay! I did it.
This guy.
Bye from Fiance.
Anyway, if you were liked that video, please stay tuned to future installments with Fiance. And
Not
please,
Beyonce. You'll never see her here.
please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay You know what. Bye.